After Second World War, political science as an academic discipline experienced a major methodological and thematic shift in the form of behavioralism. Robert Dahl calls it a successful protest against the formalism and historicism of traditional political theory. David Easton, the foremost leader of systematic school and the major exponent of behavioralism, provides a critique of the traditional approach. In his remarkable work, The Political System, published in 1953, behavioralism was one of the dominant schools of thought in political science. It was a reaction to the shortcomings of the institutional political analysis, which was based on a formal, historical and philosophical approach to the study of political phenomena. The behavioral movement favored a natural science paradigm. Behavioralists turned their attention from political institutions, especially legal and constitutional arrangements, to observe the political activity of individuals and groups. David Apter observes, the main emphasis of behavioralism is on the relationship between political knowledge and political action, including how political opinion is formed, how political acumen is acquired, and the ways people learn about political events. Such categories of thought are commonly referred to as ideologies, or belief systems, which create meaningful patterns of behavior. The behavioral approach takes into account factors of socialization, how we internalize values and prevailing beliefs, and how changes in outlook occur. David Easton identified the major characteristics of behavioralism as follows: that regularities exist which can be discovered and expressed in generalizations. Such generalizations must be testable with reference to behavior. Means for acquiring and interpreting data cannot be taken for granted, they are problematic and should be examined self-consciously. Measurement and quantify cation are necessary, but only where such measurement makes sense in terms of other purposes. Ethical evaluation should be separated from empirical explanation. Research ought to be systematic. Empirical research untutored by theory may prove trivial, and theory unsupportable by data, futile. The understanding and explanation of political behavior should precede application of this knowledge. Knowledge from the various social sciences should be integrated. Every behavioralist did not subscribe to all elements as listed by Easton. The interdisciplinary approach of the behavioralists implied that they borrowed some of the features of the related social sciences in terms of methods and even theories. Behavioralists have generally avoided use of legal and historical materials in their research. They avoided history because of its emphasis on the uniqueness of event and felt that historical approach led to the vice of historicism. It was an attempt to explain phenomena exclusively in terms of the historical period in which the events occurred, and this clashed with the behavioralists' desire for generalizations which were not bound by time. The behavioralists have been criticized for concentrating on description of static situations.